What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on today's video we have a case that I picked up for the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold from eBay. Yep, eBay, not Amazon, eBay. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what we got here. So I got this Aramid fiber case from eBay, and I got it for a specific reason, but as you can see, very nice generic carbon fiber looking kind of packaging. It says fashion customization. This is a no brand case, but you get a front portion of the case with the adhesive stickers there. You get the case itself. Now, the reason why I picked this up is because of this. I like how it has the camera cut out and it's mostly covered, and it has MagSafe built into the Aramid fiber case. You're not going to get anything else, no screen protector or anything like that with this case. That's about it. And it is relatively cheap. It's about 40 bucks, 50 bucks at the most, I think. I'm not quite sure how much I paid. Let's go ahead and check it out real quick. All right, so this is the case that I bought, and on eBay you have different options that you can choose from. So you can select the color, basically you can select the applicable models, 10 Pro Fold, 9 Pro Fold, and the item set included. So a set front and back case, or only the back case, whichever you want. And be careful because they have different variants. Like this is the variant that I got here. They have one without the cover for the camera lenses, which I don't like. I like the ones that wrap around the camera lens. Is what I like and what I wanted. And they have some that are 60D Aramid fiber and 1500D Aramid fiber, and it explains the difference right there. It says the 600D Aramid fiber is the thickness of the single layer is 0.2 millimeters per C, processed with a 3-layer structure, good for flexibility, more delicate feel, more luxury. And the 1500D Aramid fiber is this thicker one that I got, and it's the thickness of the single layer is 0.3 millimeter, processed with a 2-layer structure, stiffer feel, stronger construction. So it's a little bit more durable, and that's the one I went with, but explains everything. And I like how they give you both options of what you want and built-in MagSafe, which is absolutely fantastic. So I went with the 15D, but they do have the 600D, and you can definitely feel that this is a lot stiffer than the 600D. I do have some 600D Aramid fiber cases from last year, and there are more flexible to the feel. But I like this right here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and remove my Pixel from its current case. So currently I have the D brand screen protector currently installed, and it's going to work just fine with this case, which is absolutely fantastic. I kind of love that it does, because the D brand screen protector comes with 2 sets of screen protectors. So if this one gets damaged, I always have an extra one to go ahead and rock with. Now I do have a D brand skin here, and I'm not sure if it's going to work. Yeah, it does. Works just fine with the D brand skin, regardless of the maybe remove it because the alignment is a little off, I'm guessing. Let me see. Yeah, it's pushing it up a little bit, but it's not too bad. All the alignment itself, as you can see, it's not bad. There's no hinge protection. The alignment on top is pretty good. The alignment here, and I do have the Spigen lens covers there, and I think it works fine with that. Looks pretty good. I kind of like this. Feels good in hand. The protection is good. Let's go ahead and open this. It's going to open just fine. Look at that. Opens just fine. The screen protection is good. Nothing wrong with the screen protection. There's a little bubble there probably because of this right here. I need to remove this. This is pressing on the screen protector, which I will remove it. That is just a adhesive sticker. But other than that, I think this is a strong go. It looks pretty good. The alignment on this might be a little off, but nothing to worry about. Like, it's not gonna intrude or cut into the image of the camera. Everything seems to be working just fine. There's no blockage by the case, so everything seems good. I'll leave a link in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick one of these up for yourself, save yourself a couple bucks. Competitors to these from well-known brands run anywhere from $80 to $100. So if you're not too particular into like it absolutely fitting the most perfect, where this mic right here has to be absolutely aligned right in the smackdown middle of this, then you might not want to pick this up. But if you don't care, then you might as well pick this one up and enjoy your brand new Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Link to this case will be in the description of the video. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.